stops that wake us up, rolling roads and open skies. No plans, just the ride. We're just driving where the day will go. Radio playing soft and low. Every mile a brand new view. Simple moments passing through. Take it slow, enjoy the way. Nothing else we need today. Just the road and songs we know. Watching golden mornings glow. Small cafe by the roadside lane. Warm food, gentle mountain rain. Stories shared across the table. Taking time when we are able. We're just driving where the day will go. Windows down, the cool wind blows. Every stop a memory, just the way it's meant to be. Engines humming, hearts at ease, rolling through the quiet breeze.
The highest peak in Luzon,
Somewhere waiting
the playground of the gods.
but we love this road instead. to make a stand. I felt strong in the sun as I walked onto Pastor's Creed. Saw forgiveness together as spaces in between. And I'll be with you through the night. And I'll turn every wrong to right. Baby, we're children of summer, we're meant to be free. Honey, we're not like the others, no reason to be. And my ventures, they brought me to places I've never been. But you can walk through this world without a few punches upon your chin. I think I lost you somewhere between 20 and 23. But I still hold you dear despite the heartbreak you caused in me. 'Cause you were with me through my nights. And you filled the darkness with shining lights, yeah. Children of summer, we're meant to be free. Honey, we're not like the others, no reason to be. Radiant is far in our lungs, so it's too hard to breathe. Lover, I live for the day you and I turn to we. Think of you now, though my memory's turning bleak. I'm still walking this road, though my knees they are ever so weak. I never thanked you for putting your faith on a bum like me, yeah. And wherever you are, I think it's here you were meant to be.